So in particular on Twitter, right? So Twitter, there's a lot of people who set up remote cleaning businesses as a side hustle. So 90% of the remote cleaning businesses, they're going to be domestic cleaning. So they tend to rely on Google lead services and ads, either Facebook ads or Google ads, to generate leads, which is fine, because you get leads through, you provide a quote, and it's all well and good. It doesn't quite work the same for commercial cleaning. So the biggest challenge I think that people had is they didn't really identify a market within the locality that they were operating in. So what type of commercial cleaning did you want to do? Is it cleaning offices? Is it cleaning warehouses? Is it cleaning like the more industrial stuff, or logistics, or whatever the case may be, deep kitchen cleaning? Because they just took the broad brush approach of saying, well, commercial, so we'll clean anything. Okay, so the first step is identify your market, and then kind of hone in on the niche that you want to serve. So if you're cleaning offices, for example, then are you cleaning offices for startups? Are you cleaning offices for established businesses? Are you cleaning estate agents' offices? Like which type of niche did you want to focus on, and what type of client do you want to serve? So the second step was obviously identifying your niche, who the key decision maker is, and developing your ideal client profile. Then the third step, which they generally tend to struggle with, is because they're relying so much on Google to generate the leads, then you're not having a real consistent approach with lead generation. So building the lists and focusing on outreach on a consistent basis, because you can do it ad hoc every now and again, but you're not really going to get the results unless you're doing it, unless you schedule time for it and you're doing it either daily or weekly. So those were kind of the three biggest challenges that were faced. And then, everything that stems from that. Obviously, we spoke a little while back about residential and commercial cleaning, and the fundamentals of the cleaning, they aren't very different. You're going through the same sort of process. It's only the location that changes and is a little bit different. But there are, I guess, a couple of additional steps to take into account with commercial cleaning, because generally you'll sign some sort of contract. So then there's the negotiation stage, and and the pricing to a certain degree, and the aftercare that comes after that as well, because you're tied in for 1, 2 or 3 years, whereas with residential, like, you can cancel on, I guess, a week's notice, a month's notice. So there is a little bit of a difference in that respect. But I think once you get over those kind of nuances, then actually delivering the service, your customer service, keeping in contact with the customers, learning from them, is pretty much, it can be applied to both resi and commercial in the same way, because then it's, it is customer service.